Okay, here just a simple test. We try to install the operating system on our Hyper-V. Okay, let's try to play it. New virtual machine. So I try to install the Windows Server 2012 on this virtual machine of the Windows Server 2012 machine number 4. Let's try to do it. This is second generation because it's the Windows Server 2012. Memory. Okay, that's fine. For the network, if you cannot get this network by using the PowerShare, you can try to add a new virtual switch to add a new switch with that. If you use the follow my video to install the Hyper-V, enable Hyper-V, then you will find out the switch, which is the network card. Okay, we just go by default. The size, we don't need to use that much, just say 20 giga. Install later, yes. Okay, install the operating system later. Finish. Let's take a look at the setting. It's all working. We connect. Now DVD present. I'm gonna keep recording. Okay, so this is the new virtual machine I just create. We can check the setting. Do we have any magnify here? Okay, now it's bigger. So we go to the SI controller, because what we need here, because something may ask, hey Lingchen, how can we, if we try to install the operating system, right? How can we insert or upload our image into our DVD room, right? So we choose the DVD drive, we add the DVD drive, it's a virtual DVD drive. And media so far is none, we choose the image. Okay, we choose image, but we don't have image on our virtual machine, right? This is a new virtual machine. We didn't put any image inside it. We only have image on our local PC. Remember, on the first couple weeks, we installed the VMware, right? So the image on our local desk, not on our virtual machine. So what we can do? So let's turn it off. Okay, let's leave it there. Cancel it. We go back to the. Let's move back. Okay, here's my mouse. Remember our VMware player? Click that. We go to Manage, Virtual Machine Setting. Okay, and we choose Option. After Option, there is a shared folder. We enable it. Okay, enable this folder, and we add this folder. Choose the path. I remember I put my image as the download. Okay, so I just choose this for share. I'm sorry, this is a Mandarin, but this is for my download. I just put it here. Okay, that's okay. And then let's move back from magnifier. Sorry, let me move back. I can't see it. Oh, I see. I think I should put as the setting, share folder, map as the network drive in the Windows guest. Aha, it's here. Okay, it's here now. So go download, and we can have our image, which is here. Okay, that's the image we need. Okay, now we can go to our setting for the Hyper-V. And where's my hard drive? Let me add the hard drive. And the image, we choose the share folder, download Windows 2012 RV, apply. Oh, fair to add the drive. Not found. The system cannot find the path specified. Really? Let's try to. Can I just move it? How about this? I copy this. And where's my image? Here. And to this download on my virtual machine. Let's take a look. Can we work like this? Maybe there's some character issue, because for my path I use the Chinese letter, but for my Windows Server 2012 it is using the English character, so maybe there's some compatibility issue. We're recording. Let's double check. Yes, it's recording. Okay, complete. So in my download, I have the image. Okay, which means we don't need to go to the share folder. Instead, we can go to our download, which is in this virtual machine. Let's try to use this. Apply. Oh yes, and for the setting, we should choose to the framework order. Okay, framework order. We should choose the DVD first. So move up. Okay, make sure we enable the DVD first, and then the hard drive at least will be the adapter. Let's try to run it. Okay, let's connect and turn it on. Press any key, give a space. Do we just block here? Bootfare for the EFI device. Okay, the last times I solved it by press the key button. Let's try to take a look. Can we do it at the same time as this one? So let's run it. Press the key. Yes, do remember click and press any key. Okay, do remember click and press any key. If you didn't press any key, you're gonna pass to the next step, which to your network connection. Okay, network connection. And also do remember on your setting, you choose the DVD at first. Okay, DVD at first. Okay, DVD first. Where's my machine? It is here. Okay, so I can install the virtual machine 2012 on our virtual machine 2012 on the VMware. Okay, so there will be the demonstration for today. Hope you can complete the installation Okay, hope you can complete the installation. So for the installation, same steps as we described in our guide. Okay, everyone. Thank you for your time. Hope you can make it. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me.